My name is Idris Yusuf, a teacher from Nigerian Korea Model School. I'm standing behind you to present a topic, developing using multimedia-based teaching materials. I'm an Arabic teacher in the Nigerian Korea Model School. I pick a topic that's themes found in the class. A class, we know, class is a well-building where a sound teaching is taking place or learning. We have many things found in the class, all this and such. In Arabic, the topic means al-adwat allati fil fasl. That's things found in the class. That's the Arabic meaning. Al-adwat found in the classes, are things found in the classes. We have many things. First, the foremost one, we must start with the teacher, because you must find a teacher in the class. That's mu'allim. In English, you call it a teacher. We also have saboratun. Saboratun means bots. In boards, in the latest one that we have been doing, we have white boards, we have black boards. But in this, our school that is based on ICT, we normally use smart boards, white boards. After, we also have mirwahatun. Mirwahatun. Mirwahatun means fan. We have mukayif. Mukayif means air condition. Air condition. All these found in the classes. We have maktab. Maktab means desk. Desk is a place where teacher can sit, also student can write, also student can use it for where they can put their books and write whatever want to write it. We have kursiyun. Kursiyun means chair. All these, to mention few, we all found it in the classes. And we can also use these items found in the classes to make a sentence with them. For instance, we can take the words mu'allim and kursi. The words mu'allim, teacher, kursiyun, chair. We can make a sentence with these words to make a complete sentence. As we can say it, for instance, for example, jalasa muallimu ala al-kursi. Ala al-kursi means the teacher sat chair. You see, we use what we have been found in the class, the items, things found in the class, and make sentence with it. We take muallim and chair, and we make sentence. Jalasa al-muallimu al-kursi means teacher sat on the table. We can also use the word at-talib, students. At-talib. At-talib means peoples with pen, qalam, pen. We can also use the words talib, people with qalam, pen, to put it in sentence. For instance, we can use at-talibu أو يكتب الطالب بالقلم means what? The peoples is writing. With pen. The words talibun, students, and the words pen, that's al-qalam, we make sentence with it. That's yaktubu talibu bil qalam. The people is writing with pen. With the help of these pictures, also it can help students to identify words are found in the classes. We have many things found in the classes. You see al-adawat allati fi fasl in the classroom. In here we have teacher, that's muallim. We have qalam, means pen. We have sabura, means blackboards. We also have ra'is al-fasl. The arrow goes direct to the class captain among the students. We have saburatun, means sharpener. What students use to sharp their clothes. We have mumsahatun, means duster. We have many as possible. We can also have another pictures, shows things found in the classes. With this, I think the student can easily to understand this topic. This come to end of my lesson, inshallah.